So undeniably, we do a fantastic job in collecting and storing the data that is currently available. Now the question comes as to how better or further utilizing this data that we're doing today. Digital tools that we're using currently, they've been proven that they can optimize productivity, and that has been our main focus. What we're working on right now is to further utilize that data and see where else can be applied for. Within Dispatch, we utilize the data in order to predict the next activity, how many loads we're gonna have at the end of the shift, how many tons will be moved by the end of the shift. And we're utilizing all this data, GPS and also sensor information. We can collect and store data from a number of sources, and we are applying that data, focusing mostly on production. The information we receive from the equipment let us know, where we are when it comes to fuel, and we also have logic, we also have algorithms in the back end that can leverage that data that is coming in, and utilizing further our algorithms, we can make predictions as to when each equipment is going to need to be refueled. Productivity should not come at any cost. We want to maximize productivity for the lowest possible cost. So we've done a tremendous job. Our product has been proven for many, many years that it works great for when it comes to production. Now we want to take all this experience we've built, all this knowledge we have, and the expertise, and utilize them towards other processes and possibly optimize those processes. Again, we want to maximize the production, but always want to minimize the cost. The data is available, we collect it, we capture it, and then that data being available, we utilize it, we apply it, we import it within our algorithms, and then from there on, it can be applied to specific processes across the mine that need to be optimized. For the future, we have the expertise, we have many years of experiences, we have people that focus on this, we have specific teams that are working on optimization. So putting all this together, we believe that we can enhance further what we do, introduce new concepts, new perception into optimization. The customer is always driving what we're trying to do. We want to provide solutions to them. We're not developing things that we think it's someone could need. We work hand by hand with our customer. We have the voice of customer that they're always letting us know what the main points are, and we're always keeping our customers involved. We have periodic meetings, we do presentations, and this way we ensure that we stay on track in order to provide solutions.